Hello everybody, I am the Creative Lady. In today's video, we've got the Lysol Smart Multipurpose Cleaner, and it is 75% plastic saved versus the regular cleaner. You can also reuse this bottle up to 25 times. So that is going to be very helpful. This is killing 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. I've got the fresh waterfall scent. The system is very easy. You fill the bottle that comes with the system with water, and it is very important that you go only to the fill line. So let's go ahead and fill the bottle with water. Again, it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria with this smart cartridge system. It saves up on plastic. The bottle is reusable. It disinfects, okay? And as with Lysol Faction, it cleans and removes soap scum, and it is free from bleach phosphate. The bottle is recyclable if you remove the label. Here is the cartridge that you can use with this system. I've got the fresh waterfall scent. You insert the cartridge that has a hole in the top and the bottom into the bottle. It comes with a spray nozzle. You insert the nozzle through the hole. Here's another look at it. The Lysol cartridge system is very effective. And I put the spray nozzle into the cartridge, and then I put it into the bottle. It just kind of cuts down on the steps, but you can use yours however you decide to use it. But it is a very effective system that allows us to save money and reuse a lot of the products that come with it, like the bottle and the nozzle. Once you insert the nozzle into the bottle, just give it a good shake and it's ready to use. There are a couple of different spray patterns on here. You've got the stream motion, and you also have the spray pattern. So it just depends on what your preference is, and I've got the spray going here, and that is the stream pattern. So this is the Lysol Smart Multi-Purpose Cleaner. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I will see you in the next video. Bye y'all.